Well, it's a good afternoon today, but normally I get these during the construction, but I did miss out. And I do apologize, but we just finished up an acre installation, a 12-zone system. Now normally these acres would be approximately 20 to 24 zones. There we go, here's a head here. 20 to 24 zones, but we had a slightly larger water meter, being a 1-inch meter, and a 1.5-inch domestic service line, which is the water that is the plumbing to their house, and it was slightly bigger. So since we were able to work with a bigger line, we were able to get our zone numbers down because we could get more heads in each zone. I know it's the boring part of sprinklers, but it's the part that I kind of find fascinating. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Of course, it goes in the backyard as well. You got 11 zones, maybe not 12, 11 zones, full coverage. Flower beds have drip in them, of course. Yep, this has been completed. Inspection will be happening in a few days. If you have any questions about sprinkler systems, you're tired of dragging that hose around, of course it will be getting hotter pretty quickly, so your dragging will be more and more as you try to keep up with this heat. Luckily we have record rains, so it's not as important right now. But if you're ready to stop dragging the hose and you're ready to have a system installed by an insured company who does pull permits with the city and have it inspected just for your protection, you can contact us at 817-946-1805. I do hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.